How to block someone in Google Meet. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, you would learn how you can block someone on Google Meet. And to do so is very simple. The first step is to launch the Google Meet application. Once it has been launched, the next step is to move to the top part of the screen where you can see a search box. In the search box, the next step is for you to search out the name of the person or the email of the person that you want to block. Once you found the person and you click on the person profile, you'll be brought to this page where you have the options to send the message to the person, to call the person, to audio call or to video call the person. Then the next step is to move to the top right corner where you can see the more option button. After clicking on that, you can see other options like view contact, add to home screen, block user. Just go ahead and click on block user, and then this person won't be able to contact you or meet calling, but you may still interact with them on Meet, etc. Click on block, and then just like that, the person would be blocked. So this is how you can block someone on Google Meet. It's very simple, so try it out. So thank you for watching, and ensure you subscribe and leave a thumbs up for this video.